हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू सुपर टेक गुरु। दोस्तों आज मैं आपके लिए प्रोडक्ट लेके आया हूँ, दैट इज हाउस होल्ड ह्यूमिडिफायर। वेलकम टू माय चैनल, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, हिट द थम्स अप। What is this? It is a household humidifier. In winters and summer you can install it and have your house with full of moisture, like what you can say about moisture or about what it is, like you will feel better in the summer, right? And cool home, cool room. Okay, what is this? I bought it from Amazon. Link in the description. You can buy it from the Amazon US, Amazon India, Amazon Canada, Amazon Mexico, Amazon UK. So first I'm going to unbox it. When we open, this is a very good humidifier and very big size. 2-liter water you can have in this, like 2-liter water you can put in this right here. Here is a water, like you can put here this way. Okay, and it have fan also. It will give you good quality of air. This is pipe to put water inside that. And yeah, manual. I was finding the manual. This here is the manual. Let me check how to get this manual. Oh yes, like this. This is the product manual, like how to use it, how to install it, how to put water in it. This is the manual. It comes with 1-year warranty and with the 30-year money back guarantee. If you do not satisfied with the product, you can return to Amazon within next 30 days and get your money refunded. But it is a very good product for your home, for your family. Your family will love it, and you in the winter, in the summer, it will help you to stay cool in your room, in your home, beautiful home. So if you want to buy, link in the description. And I already have mentioned my WhatsApp number 091800060046, and for US, Canada, Mexico, UK, Europe, +1 780 600 You can message us and we will send you the Amazon link in your WhatsApp from where to buy this product in your country. Amazon in yours Amazon country. Okay, bye bye, thank you. Please share the video, hit the thumbs up. Love you all.